Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss exercise 1.1 question number 3. Find 5 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. Let us find. Here you see, you have two rational numbers. One is 3 by 5 and another one is 4 by 5. Now here you see, both the denominator are same and the numbers are numerator as 3 and 4. We cannot write 5 rational numbers between 3 and 4. There is no number between 3 and 4. Therefore, 3 by 5 can be written as 3 by 5 can be written as 3 by 5. If we multiply both the numerator and denominator by 10, 3 into 10 and 5 into 10, then we are getting 30 by 50. 30. We are getting 30 by 50. 30 by 50. And here you see 4 by 5. 4 by 5 can be written as 4 by 5. Can be written as 4 by 5. Multiply both the numerator and denominator by 10. 4 into 10 and 5 into 10. Then we are getting 40 by 50. 40 by 50. Now here you see that 3 by 5 is equivalent of 30 by 50 and 4 by 5 is equivalent fraction of 40 by 50. Then both are same, right? Now you see, now we can find 5 rational numbers between 30 by 50 and 40 by 50. Therefore, the 5 rational numbers, therefore the 5 rational numbers, 5 rational numbers, the 5 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5 and 4 by 5 are, let's see, we got this 3 by 5 as 30 by 50 and 4 by 5 as 40 by 50. Therefore, the numbers between the rational numbers between 30 by 50 and 40 by 50 are 31 by 50, 32 by 50, 33 by 50, 34 by 50, 35 by 50. This is answer. You have to find only 5 rational numbers, right? Again we are repeating. Here you have to find the 5 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. The number is 3 by 5. 3 by 5 can be written as 3 into 10 divided by 5 into 10, that is 30 by 50, because this is the equivalent fraction of 3 by 5. And 4 by 5 can also be written as 4 into 10 by 5 into 10, that is 40 by 50, because 40 and 40 by 50 is equivalent fraction of 4 by 5. Therefore, you can find the 5 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5 are 31 by 50, 32 by 50, 33 by 50, 34 by 50, 35 by 50. Right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.